The world never remains the same. Change is natural. Reformation is essential. The Premier Group, founded in 1994, began with producing TMT bars and a few years later started producing steel tubes and pipes, PVC pipes. Today, the Premier Group, through its energized visions, has created a revolution in India by starting the manufacturing of thermal insulated concrete blocks, engineered blocks, finished concrete blocks, high strength and designer landscaping pavers, curb stones, all this under the brand name Pevcon.
We have set up this unit in Jaipur, Rajasthan with the intention to provide best quality material to the construction industry. The plant has been imported from Germany. The technology which we are using is already proven. The products manufactured are very accurate in size. The unit itself is also a state-of-the-art plant which is not available in northern India. And of course, the technologies are from United States, Canada, Europe, Japan. They are already taking the benefit of this technology. With the growth we foresee in the coming years in our country in the construction sector, this product is bound to take our country to a great heights.
We are manufacturing blocks and pavers in various different sizes and beautifying colors. Sophisticated equipments at the plant take complete care of the minute details of the quality, structure and strength of the products. Our plant has a production capacity of 1 lakh blocks per day.
I've been using this since last almost 30 years, but the new ones which have come are of a very fine and very high quality. What I like about concrete block is that these blocks are very straight and very perfect. Therefore, the walls which get made out of these blocks are absolutely perfect, and which then results in very thin thickness of plaster. In fact, I don't do plaster inside on the inside surface. I actually only do POP, thereby saving a lot of cost and time. Then, compared to bricks, these blocks have a very big advantage that they just don't have any wastage, which in bricks is to the tune of almost 15 to 20%. They are very strong compared to bricks, and once the walls are made, even the partition walls, when it is made, they are very strong. They just don't move. There is no problems in chasing. And yes, for doing chasing for conduit as well as GI or electrical conduits, it is very easy. Nowadays there is a cutter which comes and one can easily make chases in the blocks with and also holes for the electrical boxes. So I for one have been using it for a long time, and now the technology which is now unfolding gives me a lot better advantage in sense of strength, in sense of thermal insulation, and in sense of time and costs.
In my experience, I have seen the use of such insulated blocks in hot locations such as Middle East, Gulf as well as Southwestern United States. This product, because of its superior thermal properties, gives us good energy savings and life cycle cost savings. We did an extensive study comparing our block with typical industry standard, which is a red clay brick, as well as fly ash bricks, as well as aerated concrete blocks. Our study found that by using these blocks for a typical, we took an 80,000 square feet commercial building situated in the climate of Jaipur, resulted in a 64% reduction in the air conditioning load through the walls. When we looked at the energy use of the entire building, after including lighting and air conditioning and elevators and computers and etc., we had close to 5% overall annual saving. If you look in pure air conditioning capacity, we had a number of between 60 to 70 tons reduction in air conditioning load.
With a thorough quality check in our high-tech labs, the finished products are lifted and loaded by truck-mounted cranes and are directly unloaded and used at the site to avoid any breakage and labor cost. Pevcon's curbstones possesses excellence aging accuracy. They mark the differentiation between the level of roads and walkways, giving a visual indication to pedestrians and vehicles.
As a landscape architect, I use the Holland series the most because of its versatile design, shape, simplicity and elegant look. The shot blast finishes that I was able to get in these pavers is something very unique and has given us a benchmark in designing plazas, walkways and driveways. With this material in hand, I can say a designer can give a master stroke to his design using this material as the finished product.
Our plant is well equipped with all testing facilities for quality check of products at every stage of the production. Our products are backed by a team of expert professionals for quality control, which helps us in prompt handling of every need of our customers.
We are the only company in the country manufacturing insulated thermal blocks known as EPS blocks, wherein the outside temperature is maintained, whereas inside temperature reduces the HVAC requirement. The overall air conditioning cost goes down, and this type of revolutionary product is available in United States like Las Vegas, in Dubai, and of course in your country, India.
Pevcon pavers are aimed at imparting perfect strength and finish to constructions. Pevcon's pavers are made in various designs with artistic finish to create landscaping beauty and delightful charm in constructions like pathways, driveways, parking, swimming pools, patios, petrol pumps. It is the high usefulness of these products that our government is also promoting their use in all kinds of construction.
There is a word of caution though. In 1990 when the blocks came, everybody started making blocks and every Tom, Dick and Harry had a egg laying machine so called with him. Resulting what happened was that they tried to sell it cheaper than the other, and they could only do it by saving on cement, and finally they started making blocks which would not survive. Now thankfully Premier has come up with these blocks, and with the name and the fame attached to Premier in steel and in other industry, they cannot even dare to save on cement, however the price might vary. And that is what gives us confidence in using a standard manufactured concrete blocks.
The usefulness of these products has helped us to become favorite manufacturer and supplier of construction material for the most meticulous top business companies like Larsen & Toubro, Infosys, Jaipur Development Authority, Manipal University.
Near Jaipur, the permanent campus of university has come up at fast pace with the help of Pevcon's concrete blocks and insulated blocks.
We at Pevcon feel honored to be contributing to the well-being of our environment and saving energy. That's why our products are eco-friendly. Pevcon, the future of green constructions.